What's up, guys? We wanted to make this video to share with you the top 5 mistakes we see people make after getting their car ceramic coated. So we've been ceramic coating here at Blackout Tinting for about 5 years now, and last year we coated about 350 cars here. So to give you an idea, we've coated a lot of cars. And those cars usually come back for a yearly inspection, and some of them we'll see are performing extremely well and look like the day that we did them, and some of them need some serious TLC to bring them back to life. So what is the difference? That's what we're gonna share with you right now. The biggest mistake people make caring for their ceramic coated car is not washing it. We see it all the time where somebody thinks that they got a ceramic coating, they don't need to wash the car anymore, and that's simply not true. In fact, nothing could be farther from the truth. If you want to protect that investment that you made, you're gonna want to do consistent hand washing. We recommend. Number 2, you might be thinking that you're washing the car by taking it through a car wash. I can't think of anything that is worse for your paint than a brushed car wash.
Stay away from automatic car washes.
I will say that the touchless ones seem to be okay. They seem to do a decent job, but nothing will replace a good hand wash. That leads to number 3, improper hand washing. So what makes a good hand wash? That's gonna be a 2-bucket method. You have a bucket that catches your dirt basically, and then you have a soap bucket. You have foam, if you can do that, from a pressure washer or even a garden hose, getting a thick layer of soap on there to help lift the dirt off of the surface. The wash mitt that you're using to wash the car is extremely important for the wash. If you're using an old sponge, if you're using an old t-shirt, or just a dirty wash mitt that you've used 20 times and you've never washed it, or you use the same one for the wheels that you use on the paint, all of that can be a reason that you're introducing micro scratches and swirl marks into the paint. Another problem with hand washing that we see is people that wash from the bottom up. You want to wash from the top down. You want gravity to help you bring all of that dirt down, and usually the bottom of the car is the dirtiest. So by the time you get to the bottom, your wash mitt's going to be the dirtiest it's going to be in this process. You don't want to be bringing the dirt from the rocker panels and the wheels back up to the top of the car. And that leads to the 4th mistake, drying the car improperly. So if you're somebody that likes to grab an old beach towel and dry the car off when you're done, you're probably going to scratch your ceramic coating. You're also going to scratch your paint if you don't have a ceramic coating, but the problem is you can't really polish the scratches out of the coating. More on that in a minute. So if you're using a dirty towel or simply not drying the car off and just allowing the water to dry on there, most people do not have water that's pure enough at their house or their business to make that happen and leave no water spots. A lot of people, especially in a rural area like where we are, have very hard water, maybe even well water, and it will leave mineral deposits on the surface of the paint, and it can damage the coating. And the final mistake that we see people make taking care of their ceramic coated car is polishing or waxing. So some people are just DIY people and they have a hobby of cleaning their car. If you got a ceramic coating, you can still do that to some degree, and there's some products for that, but don't make it a habit to polish the car or to wax it. There's no need to do any of that. In fact, if you're polishing it, you're removing the coating, and you might remove it completely, taking off everything that you've paid for. Thanks a lot, guys, for watching this video. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, we would appreciate it very much if you did that. Let us know if these tips and tricks helped you out. If you got a ceramic coating and have made some of these mistakes, let us know about that in the comments too. We will see you next time.